Hey guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. In today's video, I will be sharing 6 green Neocolor 2 colour combinations with you as our next video in the Neocolor 2 colour combination series. I have also set up a playlist for the Neocolor 2 combos up on the channel, and I will add the link to the video description. So if you are seeing this at a later date, you can click the link below and all the colour combinations will be in that playlist for you there. Now, if you are new to Neocolor 2s or you would just like a refresher on how to use them, I do have a full beginner-friendly tutorial that walks you through how I use these crayons, and that is also linked down below in the video description. You'll also find links to download today's green combination worksheet, a blank version of the worksheet if you want to create your own colour combinations, or perhaps use it to record combinations for other wet mediums. Also copies of my full swatch chart for the 84 set, and of course my conversion chart from Neocolor 2s to coloured pencils for matching colours across pencil brands. If you don't own this medium and you want to follow along with one of my colour alongs and replace them with a matching pencil combination, you can check out that conversion chart. I am using colours from the full 84 set today and swatching the combinations on cardstock. I'm using up an old ream of ARC paper, that's ARK paper. A lot of people ask me what my favourite paper is for PDFs. It's actually the Nina cardstock, but prior to that it was ARC. And I do have a little bit left in the ream of paper, which I thought would be perfect for swatching. However, any cardstock or even thick paper that you have on hand will work fine for this as well. So I'll be swatching and activating each one on screen, working from top to bottom and right to left as I am left-handed. I'll also be using my favourite Arteza water brush here to activate the colours, and I have a cloth on hand to make sure my brush is kept clean. Now, I do activate from light to dark, and you will see me wipe the brush off during the activation process, and that's just so I don't drag too much of the colour through into the darker colours, so too much lighter colours through to the darker colours and vice versa. I'm also only doing 1 layer today, but I do recommend 2 layers in your colouring books. No more than 3 though, depending on how good your paper is actually, but I do recommend 2 layers, and that's going to get you a lovely, bright, vibrant finish. So let's jump in and get straight into swatching. Okay, so let's talk through each of the green colour combinations and see what type of pages or what elements they would suit best. So first up we have this Lush cool toned blend. This one transitions beautifully from deep teal into a bright light green. It is a great alternative to blues for underwater scenes, and it will also work well on jungle style pages, great for leaves and trees, and even for fantasy animals such as dragons or fish even, and mermaid scales. It'll also look fantastic matched with spring tones, and of course all of the combos I do share with you during the Neocolor 2 series are perfect for backgrounds on any of your pages. Next, I've gone for a muted earthy combination. This blend gives a natural muted look with those rich brown-green tones. This one has a woodland or vintage botanical feel, great for forest floors, autumn pages, tree trunks, aged leaves or moss-covered grounds. It's a lovely mix for more subdued or atmospheric artwork. This combination gives off a warm, dusty olive tone. It is a perfect match for your autumnal pages or even vintage style colour palettes. It'll match well with amber tones or any kind of soft, muted tones such as pinks or purples. This vibrant combination is bold and full of tropical energy. I love how much contrast it brings from top to bottom. It'll really add depth to your backgrounds. Like I said, great for tropical pages or paired with any bright, vibrant color palettes. Basically anything that needs a vivid burst of greenery. Now we have a deep, cool blend. This combination leans towards a dual-toned green with hints of blue, ideal for enchanted forests, your water-themed pages, fantasy creatures, or even gemstones. And finally, we're finishing off with a cheerful and zesty blend. This one is really playful and perfect for spring-themed pages. Think grassy meadows, light-filled garden scenes, or anything that needs a little pop of freshness. It has a lovely, fresh glow that feels really uplifting. And I'm going to use Mythic World by Kirby Roseanne's as an example once again. So this combination I used on this page is this combination here, but we've also got a little bit of Sahara yellow, I believe. And I also used this combination. I used it down in the beginning here somewhere. Nope. It's here somewhere. And this page. So that is both of them this green combination. And I've also got this double page spread here, which is this green combination. And I've got in Tales from the Forest Kingdom, the one I'm currently working on now, my whip. This background is this combination. I think I've added in some light cobalt blue hue though, just to lighten the end, but it's this combination here. And this combination, you'll find it in my tutorial on how to use your Neocolor 2s, and that's in a Hannah Carzon book as well. So there's a colour along for that background. So if you'd like to swatch along with me or save these combinations, everything I have used today is linked in the description box below, including the green combination worksheet, a blank combination worksheet, my swatch chart, my conversion chart, and of course in my Amazon storefront there are links to the Neocolor 2s, my Arteza brush pen. It comes in a set of 6, and then you just need like a microfiber cloth or something like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you haven't already, please think of subscribing to the channel, and I will see you again very soon with another colour in the Colour Combo series. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.